All right, I'm on the asset AUDUSD. The date, Thursday, October 12, 2023. And I began looking at this particular asset. I believe it was somewhere, no, actually, it was somewhere in this area. So I just kept sitting and waiting. So all of this time has passed, waiting for price to pull up with a correction and then push back down. And so I'm looking at, there is still significant volume here on both my MACDs. I go to the 5-minute time frame. I still see strong volume. I even take a look at 10 and 15 just to ensure, like, okay, am I seeing volume like I really think I do? So I'm thinking, like, how do I get into this market with price just continuing to push down? Because it could go on for the rest of the day and I'll never have an opportunity to get in. So I dropped down to the 30 just to see, just kind of just playing with the time frames, I guess, if you will. And still volume, lots of volume. And so then I go down to the 15-minute or 15-second, still seeing volume. Oh, that's not the 15-second. So 15-second being here, still lots of volume. Drop down to the 10-second. Oh, goodness. Still seeing volume. So I'm looking at the 5-second. And it was actually here that I was looking at it. I saw the cross up that happened right here. The MACD broke. I still had some volume here, so I knew that I wanted to wait. And I went up to the 10-second just to ensure, because I did have that moving average cross. And so I wanted to just ensure that maybe the pullback, if it was complete or if it wasn't complete. And it wasn't, so I just continued just to watch it. And price, of course, just began to continue going up. It went above the 50 moving average, got the MACD break again. So then I just adjusted to the 15-second just to ensure the pullback being correct or being complete. So from here, I just can, again, still watching it. And it was here that I saw that the pullback was pretty much complete. Pullback for this time frame, however, correction on the lower time frame, however, it said. And I do see this 3 waves, A, B, and C. And so it was this particular candle that I had gotten in. It was one of these 2 candles. But anyways, I'm going to just say where the vertical line is. I went ahead and entered here. Because in going to the 1-minute time frame, there it just appears as a pullback. There's no break of the MACD that occurred at all. So I'm currently in this trade, and I will say that I did adjust my equity guardian tool just by a couple of dollars, so I could just participate in the market, and I'll just be solely focusing on Forex pairs, not the indices, so it doesn't eat up the like $1.50 or something, or I think it was like $1, maybe $2 that I allowed myself to be entertained in the market, if that's appropriate to say. But anyways, what I just described, it makes so much sense, especially when price is really moving and looking for a way to get into the market with it not breaking my rules. So basically just dropping down to the time frame to where the correction happens, the MACD breaks, the moving averages do their thing, and then come back into confluence with my analysis time frame. So thus far, price is still looking favorable on the 15-second, still have lots of volume, and it's getting pretty close. I really think that I still have room for my take profit to be hit, so I'm just going to leave it alone and we'll follow up soon.